There it is.
And 1,000.
1,000. Okay, so it's official. We just hit 1,000 miles on our truck.
We are through our break-in period, so let's go.
Let's go. It's a little over 1,000 miles, but we're going to go ahead and change it. We know that the owner manuals say to change it at around 10,000 miles, but we're going to do 1,000 to get a baseline.
Yeah, I'm going to get that baseline from Blackstone Labs. We're going to send it in and find out if there's any metal shavings or any other like random stuff from the break-in oil. And we're also going to put in a quick valve for later easy changing of the oil without mess.
We also decided to go at Toyota oil and Toyota filter. Funny story, ended up going to O'Reilly's, then we got a Wix filter and Royal Purple oil, and then we decided against that. We returned it and got this. It was a little bit cheaper, and also we just thought, let's just put in the original stuff. It'll help get us a really solid baseline.
Absolutely. Less variables, and it will just be something that we could, write down different results with different oil maybe.
Yeah, so let's get to it.
Yes, we can. So the quick oil change valve we're installing is by Valvo Max, and it's going to be like a no mess kind of system. So just two parts. Just the main plug. This goes in the oil pan, has a sealed cap. The whole thing goes in there. When you need to do the oil, you screw this guy on there, opens up the one-way valve, and oil comes out this. Less mess.
Okay.
So we're in the garage now, and we're going to do the oil change. After I got the plastic skid plate off, we're going to take off the oil drain plug. It's a 14 millimeter. Whoa! Looking so clear. Luckily our pan is 7 quarts and coming out is 6 quarts. So we forgot about the Blackstone to sample the oil, but we'll just get it from the oil filter.
Alright, we're going for it.
And I'm not sure how much they actually need. That's all the time I want to spend on this. So the Valvo Max comes with a washer, but I think we're just going to use the Toyota one. A little different. Okay, Valvo Max drain plug going in. I'm supposed to tighten it with a 22 millimeter, but I don't got one. This will have to do. Not too tight. Just good enough. So as it's a ball valve, it's not going to come out. Oil's not going to come out. You have a cap as a just in case. So this whole system is when you put this whole tubing in, it's going to push on the ball valve and then open, and oil should come out. So let's see if there's anything still left in there. Oh yeah, look at that. This is gonna make oil changes a lot cleaner. I love this.
This is always the scary part.
Fish on. Oh. I hear it. Haha. Sweet. That wasn't too bad. We got it.
We got it.
Precaution. But we got it.
We used to do it by hand.
Yeah, I would do it by hand now. Here.
Oh, thanks, baby. All right.
Hey, it's looking good.
Is it all up on the thing?
Nice. Almost like Toyota made this notch just perfect.
Cool. So just interesting to note that the part numbers are a little bit different. This is a different part number than the one that came on with the truck. I won't flip it so we don't spill it everywhere, but we opted out of pre-filling it just because it's on an angle, so we figured it's just gonna all dump out anyway, so we're just gonna slap it on. Alright, now it's time to fill them up.
It's also funny that it just looks like everything's exposed.
We actually thought we were missing something when we got it from the dealership. There was no like
engine covers or anything. Yeah.
Yep. All right, let's do it.
Okay, where's our oil?
Back seat, I'll grab it.
Okay, in case the drain plug leaks.
Number one.
Number one. Just kidding.
What number is that?
2.
Number 3.
You know what I realized?
What?
Because you're a lefty, the mat's on the wrong side for you.
Oh. It's really tight. Number 4. Done. Number 5. Also, we forgot something.
Oh no. Imagine gush.
That would be so bad.
That's the one.
That's the one?
That's the last one.
Something smells like fried chicken. You smell it?
We thought it was fried chicken smell. Can't forget this.
There it is, 1,098 miles.
Thank you. So you have to take this plate off each time you do oil change. Now imagine a 50-pound metal skid plate. No thank you. We're gonna get one with access holes. Probably the RCI one. That looks pretty good.
Wow, look at that stretch. Look at that reach.
All right.
We did it?
Yep, we did it.
What did we say?
We're not done yet.
Oh,
We still gotta take the oil to O'Reilly's.
that's right.